Hello viewers, good morning for everyone. I hope that you are well. I am also fine. At firstly, I wish to all my viewers Happy Merry Christmas Day. But you know what? Exercise early in the morning is very beneficial for health. So after a long time, I'm coming back today with a new videos to all my viewers. Today I will learn how to attack and how to defend yourself with anybody. Today I will show how to defend and fight styles to eagle styles. Okay, no more take a longer time. Let's go learning for kung fu eagle styles. Ha! Okay, let's start now. Eagle style. At firstly, salute. Chi. 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 Stand positions. At firstly, I have to see from which side attack to enemy. Ready for fight. Now, pitch, block, block to the enemy's thighs and hit to the enemy chest, and we have to hold on the enemy hand and legs will be twice and hit to the enemy chest. Now, both side attack. Hit, both side attack. Kick. Now, kick to the enemy and kick. Block again. Okay, I will show again. Stand alert for fight. Hit, block to the enemy fight, and hit to the enemy chest, and we have to hold on the hand. Now, hand and legs will be twice. Hit twice and hit again. Hit to the enemy chest. Now, hit, attack left side and hit. Now, right hit. Block again. Okay, I will show it finally. Stand alert for fight. Stay tuned by subscribing to my channels to get a new videos. If you like my videos, please subscribe and share to my channels. I will come again with a new videos, the eagle style step 2. Wait for my new videos. Till then, bye bye. Stay healthy, stay well. Cheers.